everyone. Welcome to Tech9, a complete solution for education. My name is Sara Lakdawala and by qualification I've completed my company secretary's education and currently undergoing practical training. So friends, now is the time to be a professional. ये वीडियो हम बना रहे हैं to give you information about a course, about a career that you can opt which is in high demand in today's time and which is also a very reputed profession, and the name of the profession is company secretaries. So welcome to the world of ICSI, that is the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. ICSI वो इंस्टीट्यूट है जो कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज प्रोफेशन को गवर्न और रेगुलेट करता है. So friends, I would like to ask you a question. Do you want a future like this or you wish to see yourself like this? Definitely, we all want to be professionals. हम हमारे करियर में भी ग्रोथ लाना चाहते हैं and also we want to contribute in our country's growth by our profession and our skills. So, company secretaries can be the desired career option for you. Now, who is a company secretary? Company secretary is also known as the compliance officer of the company. Company secretary का काम होता है to do the compliances of all the laws, rules and regulations that apply upon a company. This is the very reason company secretary is like a priest of the company. He is also known to be the eyes and ears of the board. In today's time, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी companies incorporate हो रही है and various companies are also getting listed on the stock exchanges, transparency की requirement बढ़ गई है because stakeholders must be informed about the various affairs of the company. Also, साथ ही साथ हमें बहुत सारे laws का compliance भी करना पड़ता है and the competent professional to do this work is a company secretary, and that is the reason it is a tough but also a very rewarding profession. Now, what is the work of a company secretary? In addition to doing compliances, company secretary also provides advice to the board of directors on various matters such as corporate, legal, secretarial, administrative and tax matters. Company secretary is known as the parachute professional. Now आपके मन में क्वेश्चन आया होगा, why parachute professionals? इसका रीजन ये है because the company secretary gets a direct access to the board of directors. In other non-professionals, they have to climb the various hierarchies in the organization, that is the lower level, middle level and the top level to reach up till the board of directors. But company secretary directly gets on the top with the board of directors and gives them advice on the various matters. And company secretary की advice plays a very important role in the growth of a company. Also, company secretary acts as a communication point between the shareholders and the other employees and gives all information to the board of directors. Now, when you become a company secretary, आपके पास कुछ qualities होनी चाहिए. The main qualities that a company secretary must possess are: firstly, you must be disciplined and efficient in time management. Secondly, as new laws and regulations आते रहते हैं, you need to keep updating your knowledge. The third one is you must have a good command over the language English, both oral and written. Because company secretary has to communicate on behalf of the company with various statutory authorities and also has to draft various documents and file it with the statutory authorities. Now talking about the scope of CS. When you become a company secretary, आपके पास एक दो ऑप्शन होते हैं. The first one is to be a company secretary in practice and the another one is to be a company secretary in employment. Also, a company जिसका paid up share capital 10 crores और more है, उसे compulsorily एक whole time company secretary अपने company में appoint करना होता है. Also, a fresher CS can earn 25,000 to 30,000 per month, and also these values can change as per individual capabilities. In addition to this, our institute, that is ICSI, has signed various memorandum of understanding with the other institute of foreign countries, and this gives an edge to our profession. This is because our company secretary, once you have become a company secretary, you can also practice your profession in the foreign territories. Now talking about the CS curriculum. The CS studies is a mixture of theory as well as practical subjects, which makes it an interesting subject and interesting profession to study. Now, how will you become a company secretary? Company secretary कैसे बने? To become a company secretary, you must qualify 3 levels of examinations by the ICSI. The first level is the CS Executive Entrance Test, that is the CSEET. The second level is the Executive Program, and the third level is the Professional Program. Talking about the very first level of CS examination, that is CSEET. CSEET में there are 4 subjects. The first one is business communication, second one is legal aptitude, third one is economic and business environment, and the fourth one is current affairs. Talking about the marks, the whole paper will be of 200 marks. Individual basis पे the first 3 subjects will be of 50 marks and the fourth subject, that is current affairs, will be of 20 marks. Now the remaining 30 marks are for presentation and communication skills. Because of the COVID situation, presentation and communication skills लेने में problem आ रही है, and that is the reason this 30 marks are also being covered under MCQs in combination of the various 4 subjects. Talking about the examination, ये एग्जाम कंडक्ट किया जाता है in the MCQ format, that is the multiple choice question format. Each पेपर में आपको 35 क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. दैट इज इन द फर्स्ट 3 पेपर्स यू विल बी आस्क्ड 35 क्वेश्चंस. इन द फोर्थ पेपर, दैट इज करंट अफेयर्स, यू विल बी आस्क्ड 15 क्वेश्चंस. On an overall basis, to pass in this examination, you need to score minimum 100 marks out of 200 marks. On an individual subject basis, आपको स्कोर करना होगा minimum 20 marks out of 50 marks. Now the 2 important points of this examination. First one, ये एग्जाम कंडक्ट किया जाएगा विद इन अ ड्यूरेशन ऑफ 2 hours and there will be no negative marking. Moving ahead to the second level of examination, that is the CS Executive Program. CS Executive Program में there are 2 groups. Each group consists of 4 subjects. हर एक सब्जेक्ट में पास होने के लिए आपको क्वालिफाई करना पड़ेगा मिनिमम 40% मार्क्स, एंड एक ग्रुप में पास होने के लिए आपको क्वालिफाई करना पड़ेगा मिनिमम 50% मार्क्स. Moving ahead to the last and final examination stage, that is the CS Professional stage. In CS Professional stage, you have got 3 groups. हर एक ग्रुप में 3 पेपर्स होते हैं, and to qualify in this examination, individual subjects में आपको 40% मार्क्स स्कोर करने होंगे, and to qualify in the whole group, you must obtain 50% marks. With this, coming to the last stage, that is the CSEET registration process. Now, CSEET का एग्जामिनेशन साल में 4 बार कंडक्ट किया जाता है. द फर्स्ट वन इन मई, सेकेंड इन जुलाई, थर्ड इन नवंबर एंड द फोर्थ वन इन जनवरी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको एग्जाम देना है इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई, देन यू नीड टू रजिस्टर between the period 16th April to 15 June. If you register in this period, आप eligible हो जाते हो to appear in the CSEET in the month of July. Now talking about exams कब held होंगे. For July month, exam will be held on the 2nd or 3rd week and on Sunday or Saturday as per the discretion of ICSI. Results कब declare होंगे? So results will be declared in the 4th week of July. Coming to the final stage of CS curriculum, that is the practical training. The company secretary has to go under a practical training. From 3rd February 2021, every CS student has to go under the new training structure of ICSI, which is of 24 months. Now, when you qualify your CS Executive or CS Professional program, आप eligible हो जाते हो to start your practical training. Now, the training structure of 24 months is divided into 3 parts. The first one is the 1 month EDP, that is Executive Development Program. Executive Development Program के अंदर भी there are 2 bifurcations. Of 15 days, you have to go through the EEDP, and the another 15 days are classroom EDP. Next one is the 21 months practical training that you have to do under a firm or a company. Finally, you have to do CLDP, that is Corporate Leadership Development Program, that will be of 1 month or 2 months. With this, we conclude the whole PPT on CS. I hope आपको CS के बारे में अच्छी जानकारी मिल गई होगी, and this video will motivate many students to take CS as their profession and career. On behalf of Tech9, I thank you all for watching this video and wish you all the best for your future.